in triangle OMA. If you see which one is the hypotenuse here, OA is the hypotenuse. So OA square is equal to AM square, the perpendicular, which we want to find out, plus OM square, right? Now, what is the length OA? OA is 2A units. Put 2A whole square. AM we need to find out. So you put AM square. And OM is A. So you put it equal to A square. Okay. Now from here you can calculate. That means 4A square is equal to AM square plus A square. That means 4A square minus A square is equal to AM square. That means 3A square is equal to AM square. That means AM square is equal to 3A square. AM therefore is equal to square root of 3A square, which is equal to root 3 into root A square, which is equal to A into root 3 units. So what is this length here? AM, A root 3. Therefore, what is the y coordinate? A root 3. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Y coordinate of A is equal to A root 3. Hence, coordinates of A is, what is the x coordinate? A. And the y coordinate? A root 3. That's it. There's another way of finding out the coordinates of A. Very easily, you can find it out by trigonometry, because this angle is 60 degree. Okay, so you can very easily find out the coordinates. You can very easily find out this length here. But since I have not discussed anything on standard angles with you, so therefore I'll leave this method. Later on, maybe I'll revisit this problem and show it to you by trigonometry. Okay. Moving on to the next problem then. Okay, you don't need graph paper for this also. If you see in the adjoining figure, PQR is an equilateral triangle. Let's draw the figure first. This is your y-axis given. And x-axis, the negative part, they have not shown much. Okay. So this is your positive direction of y. This is negative direction of y, negative direction of x, positive direction of x. Okay. And they have drawn a triangle in this manner. This is your origin. And they have given you these vertices of the triangle to be P, Q, and the coordinates of Q they have given to you in the diagram, which is 0, 2. And this point vertex they are calling R, and the coordinates of this is given to be 0, minus 2. Okay, this is the given diagram. This is the complete diagram that is given. Now we shall read the question and see if any information is missing in the diagram, and we label the diagram accordingly. So if you read the question, it states in the adjoining figure, PQR is an equilateral, triangle PQR is equilateral. The triangle PQR is equilateral means all three sides are equal. PQ is equal to PR is equal to QR. All these are equal, right? Okay. We cannot mark much because let's mark it in this way. Let's mark it. Okay. So these three sides are equal. If the coordinates of Q and R are 0, 2, and 0, minus 2, which is already shown in the figure, find the coordinates of P. You need to find out the coordinates of P. Okay, so how will you find out the coordinates of P? Can you tell me what should be the y coordinate of P. Clearly, P is a point on the x-axis, right? Therefore, y coordinate of P, y coordinate is also called what? Can anyone tell me what is y coordinate called? Other name for y coordinate? What is the other name for y coordinate? Anyone?
The negative coordinate.
Ordinate. It is called the ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate. If you remember, I told you x coordinate is called the abscissa and y coordinate is called the ordinate. Right? Remember this.
Yes, sir.
So clearly P is a point on the x-axis. Therefore, y coordinate of P is equal to 0. That is, you can also say ordinate of P is equal to 0. Right? So whatever is the coordinate of P, y coordinate has to be 0. We only need to find out the x coordinate. Okay. So how do you find out the x coordinate? What is the x coordinate? In order to reach P, what is the distance that you have to travel starting from the origin? In the positive direction of x, you are traveling the distance OP, right? So what is the coordinate of P is equal to this distance OP, x coordinate is the distance OP and y coordinate is 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we need to find out this distance OP. Okay. So now see here, this is an equilateral triangle, right? What is this length? OQ, 2 units, right? So OQ is equal to 2 units. What is this distance here? If you see the coordinate here, 0 minus 2, this distance is also 2 units. All of you agree?
Yes,
OR
sir.
is also equal to 2 units. So therefore, what is the length of QR? One side of the equilateral triangle. QR must be equal to OQ plus OR, right? 2 plus 2 equal to 4 units, right? So this entire length here of this one side is 4 units. If this is 4 units, this is also 4 units. This is also 4 units, right? Right? Since triangle PQR is equilateral, therefore QR must be equal to PR must be equal to PQ. All three sides must be equal and all of their lengths are 4 units, right? Now look at this right angle triangle. Because we want to calculate OP, look at this right angle triangle. This one is the hypotenuse because this is 90 degree. This one is your perpendicular and this is your base. You know the length of the hypotenuse, you know the length of the perpendicular. You can calculate the base by Pythagoras theorem. So consider this right angle triangle. In triangle OPQ, which one is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse here is PQ. So PQ square, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is OQ, right? OQ. What is the base? OP. OP square. Now put the values. PQ, what is the length here? PQ length is 4 units. 4 square is equal to, what is the length of OQ? Length of OQ here, we have found out to be 2 units, right? OQ was 2 units. This is not OQ. This is OQ is equal to OR. Okay. OQ was 2 units, yes. OQ was 2 units. right? See in the diagram here, OQ is 2 units. Put the value here, 2 square plus OP square. Now you can find out the length of OP from here. 16 is equal to 4 plus OP square. And 16 minus 4 is equal to OP square. That means 16 minus 4 is 12 is equal to OP square. Means OP square is 12. How much is OP then? Square root 12. Okay. Now we want to express this as a mixed surd. Prime factorize 12. How much will you get? 2 square into 3. Right? So you get square root 2 square into square root 3, which is equal to 2 root 3 units. So hence, what is the coordinate? Coordinates of P. Y coordinate I told you was 0. Look at the figure here. Y coordinate was 0. What is the X coordinate we have found out? Coordinate of P was what? OP comma 0, right? OP we have found out here. How much is OP? 2 root 3. That's it. Okay. This is how I've got 4 root 3. Okay. There's a mistake here. Yeah, this should be 2 root 3. This should be 2 root 3. Okay. This should not be 4 root 3. This is just a writing error. Correct it. Is it clear now? Or any question you have?